Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Days after President of the controversy-plagued Caribbean Maritime University took leave of absence, an acting president has been named. But even as the opposition welcomes the change at the top, there are other issues of concern.
The announcement that Deputy CMU President Professor Ibrahim Ajaguna is now acting as president of the institution has been met with acceptance by both political sides. However, despite this newest development, opposition members say that's not enough to address the issues and possible damage to the sector and the institution.
And there are a lot of unanswered questions. I think the Prime Minister has an obligation to tell the country what were the reasons that led to the firing. Why did he request the resignation of Royal Reid? What did he know and when did he know? Did he find out when it became in the public domain, or did he know before?
It seems like both for Minister Reid and others associated with him, it's been going on for weeks and weeks and weeks and months now before even charges are laid. The injury in such practice is that they're clearly demonstrating that in Jamaica there are two standards. If you're a minister, if you're well connected, you can do wrongs and get away with it. The ordinary citizen, if they commit any offense, they're going to be all before the courts and thrown into jail.
However, Fitz Jackson, who is also a member of the PAAC, which has been shining the spotlight on the issues at CMU, says he's hopeful that the change will help bring the truth to light.
I hope that the investigators can conclude their investigations as quickly as possible. And those so far that have been found to be culpable, charges are brought against those individuals, and they are so executed.
The announcement of the acting president follows mounting calls for an appointment. Public commentator Helen Davis White was among those making the call. She also suggested that the issues at the CMU have been hurting the institution's name both locally and internationally. Opposition spokesman on education Ronald Thwaites believes the impact is more widespread.
Education can't take this, The Caribbean Maritime University is an epic institution in terms of its academic pedigree, its paradigm of discipline and of job readiness. What is going on there should never take place. It is destabilizing the entire education system, and the fact that it remains unresolved after so much time is encouraging people to become suspicious, to have them withdraw the kind of energy, not just at CMU, but throughout the education system.
However, Carl Samuda, who has been heading the ministry since Royal Reid's resignation, disagrees. He says the Financial Investigation Division and the police have informed him that the investigations will be completed soon. Mr. Samuda says he has every confidence in the acting CMU president. As for damage to the institution's name,
we are quite confident that it is a strong and well-structured institution, organization, and I'm quite confident that it will rebound.